Hello friends, in this part we will discuss how to make PDF report of attendance data of particular date in this attendance system. Previously, we have seen how teacher can take student attendance and store under this attendance table. For make PDF report, we have go to attendance.php file, and here we have write button type is equal to button, ID is equal to report button, and in button text we have write report. By click on this button Modal will pop up. After this here we can see Bootstrap for Modal skeleton code. Here we have add ID attribute is equal to report Modal. In Modal title class, we have write make report. This text will be display on header of Modal. Under Modal body class, we have create one division tag with class is equal to input date range. This is for date range date picker. Under this class, we have write input type is equal to text, name, and ID is equal to from date, and in placeholder is equal to from date with read-only attribute. For display from date validation, here we have write span tag ID is equal to error from date. Below this, we have write input type is equal to text, name, and ID is equal to date, placeholder is equal to date, and read-only attribute. Here teacher can select to date. Same way for display to date validation error, here we have create span tag with ID is equal to error to date. Under Modal footer class, we have write button type is equal to button, name and ID is equal to create report, with button text create report. Now we have moved to write Jquery code, so here we have write $with division tag ID input date range with date picker method. It initialize date range picker under this tag text box. Under this method, we have write first option today button set to link, that means from date must be less than to date. In second option, we have write format option, and here we have defined date format, and after this we have write auto close option set to true. Now we have write $with document selector, with on method, and under this we have write click, with button ID report button, so when we have click on report button, this block of code will execute. Under this, we have write $with Modal ID report Modal with Modal method, and under this we have write show, it will pop up report Modal on web page. After this, we have write $with Modal button ID create report, with click event, so when we have click on create report button, then this block of code will execute. Under this, we have write from date variable is equal to $with text box ID from date with value method. Below this, we have write to date variable is equal to $with text box ID to date with value method, so here from date and to date text box details store under this variable. After this we have define error variable is equal to 0. Now we have write if statement and under condition we have write, from date variable value is equal to blank, if this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write, $ with span tag ID error from date, with text method, and under this we have write from date is required, an error variable value increment by 1. But suppose above condition false, then it will execute else block of code, and under this we have write $ with span tag ID error from date with text method, with blank value, it will remove previous validation error. Same for toDate text box, here we have write if statement, and under condition, we have write toDate variable value is equal to blank, if this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $ with span tag ID error to date, with text method, and under this we have write, toDate is required, an error variable value increment by 1. But suppose above condition false, then it will execute else block of code, and under this we have write $ with span tag ID error to date, with text method with blank value, it will clear previous validation error. Now we have write, if statement and under condition we have write, error variable value is equal to 0, if this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $ with text box ID, from date with value method, with blank value, it will clear this text box value. Below this, we have write, $ with text box ID to date, with value method, and under this we have write blank value, it will this text box value. For hide modal, here we have write $ with modal ID, form modal with modal method, and under this we have write hide, it will hide modal from web page. Lastly, we have write window.open method, and under this we have write, report.php, action is equal to attendance report, and form date is equal to from date variable. And toDate is equal to date variable, so here we have send data to report file in get method. So it will open this report.php, with attendance data in PDF report. Now we have go to report.php file and, here we have write if statement, and under condition we have write, is set function with $get action variable, if this variable value is set then, it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write include statement, and under this we have write admin folder, /database connection.php, it will make database connection. For make PDF report, here we have used DomPDF Library, which has been stored under admin folder, so have go to admin folder pdf.php file. By using this class, we will use DomPDF Library for make PDF report, so here we have write require once with DomPDF folder /autoload.php file. After this we have write use statement, with DomPDF/DomPDF namespace. Now we have write class PDF which extends DomPDF library class, so this class has inherit all the property of this DomPDF library. Under this we have write public function, with construct method. This method of code will execute, when new object of this class has been created. Under this method, we have write parent class, with construct method. It will execute parent class construct method, so here our class is ready. Now we have go to report.php, and here we have write require one statement with admin folder /pdf.php. Below this, we have write session start method. It will start session variable on this page. Now we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $get action variable value is equal to attendance report. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have again write if statement, and under condition we have write is set function, and under this we have write $get from date, and to date variable. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $PDF variable is equal to new PDF method. Here we have write new object of PDF class. Now we have write $query variable is equal to select attendance date from attendance table, where teacher ID is equal to $session teacher ID variable, and attendance date between $get from date and $get to date variable. After this, we have write group by attendance date, and order by attendance date in ascending order. This query will return unique attendance date from data. Now we have write $statement variable is equal to $connect variable with prepare statement, and under this we have write $query variable. Below this, we have write $statement variable with execute method. It will make query for execution. After this, we have write $result variable is equal to $statement variable, with fetch all method. It will return query execution result. Now we have write for each loop, with condition like $result variable as $row variable. Under this loop, we have write $output variable, and under this we have append HTML code like table, and in first row column we want to display attendance date, so here we have write $row attendance date variable. In second row, we have create one table with 4 table column like student name, roll number, grade and attendance status. For fill this table with data, here we have write $subquery variable is equal to select star from attendance table, inner join student table, on student table. Student ID is equal to attendance table. Student ID. After this, we have write inner join grade table, on grade table. Grade ID is equal to student table. Student grade ID, where teacher ID is equal to $session teacher ID variable, and attendance date is equal to $row attendance date variable. Below this query, we have write $statement variable is equal to $connect variable with prepare statement, and under this we have write $subquery variable. For execute query, we have write $statement variable with execute method. After this, we have write $subResult variable is equal to $statement variable with fetch all method. It will return query execution result. Now we have write for each loop, and under condition, we have write $subResult variable as $subRows variable. Under this loop, we have write $output variable, and under this variable we have append HTML code like open and close table row tag, with for table column tag. In first column, we want to print student name data, so here we have write $subrow student name variable. In second column, we want to print student roll number details, so here we have write $subrow student roll number variable. In third column, we want to display grade name, so here we have write $subrow with grade name variable. And in last column, we want to display attendance status, so here we have write $subrow attendance status variable. So, this way we have store report content in $output variable in table format. Now we have write $file name variable is equal to attendance report.pdf. Here we have defined file name. Now we have write $PDF object with load HTML method, and under this we have write $output variable. This method will load HTML as string. Below this, we have write $PDF object, with render method. This method will render the HTML as PDF. After this, we have write $PDF object, with stream method, with two argument like $file name variable, attachment set to false. This method will open PDF file in browser. Lastly, we have write exit method, with 0, now we have check output in browser. Friends, first we have refresh web page. After refresh of web page, here we can see report button, has been appear on web page, so we have click on report button. After click on report button, Modal has been pop up on web page, and under this we can see from date and to date text box field with create report button. Now we have directly click on create report button. On web page we can see validation error on web page. Now we have select from date, and after this we have select to date, and click on create report button. After click on report button, link has been open new tab, and here we can see attendance report in PDF format. Here we can see date-wise attendance report. And under report, we can see student name, roll number, grade, and attendance status data in PDF format. So from this feature teacher can get attendance data of any date in PDF format. So teacher can make PDF report attendance data of any date. If you have any query or input regarding this video tutorial, please comment your query or input in comment box, or if you like this video tutorial please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.